Hi, you all. We're celebrating, and there's so many people. We're talking about millions of people that's celebrating. This is October, is the cancer month. Now, for some people, like Miss Johnson here, October came and went because she had cancer. She lost all her hair, and Deserve was able to restore her hair. So we have, on behalf of the Cancer Month, we are celebrating everyone, but we're also giving you free shipping in the entire month of October, but 25% off on your products. Miss Johnson, we just want to tell you thank you and show them what you went through. See, a lot of people think it could be a little fake. We want to, this is how her hair was for months and months and months. And then within what, 4 weeks, you're here. So how did you feel getting your hair back?
I felt wonderful, and thanks to your system, this is a wonderful time for me. I really enjoy celebrating Breast Cancer Awareness Month because your Deserve system just brought everything, all worthwhile to me. Thanks to the Lord for Deserve, because of Deserve, I am here and ready to share my travels with you. And thank you for Deserve.
Oh, wow, that's so heartfelt. Deserve is out here working so hard around the clock to help. We understand that hair loss is about shame. Now, our customers keep coming back because we keep proving it. But in the month of October, we're saluting people like herself. And congratulations to the ones who have become cancer free. But we do still want to remember those who did not make it, but they're resting with the angels. So, on behalf of Miss Johnson, myself, we salute all the ones that are in the fight.
Survivorship is the thing, and I am a survivor. And I really appreciate Miss Angela and the things that you can gain from Deserve. Thank you so very much.
Oh, you're so welcome. This is like mama to me. So I just want to blow a kiss to everyone, and we are praying for you. But at the same time, Deserve can help you restore your hair one strand at a time. And we can also, this is about 4 or 5 or 6 or longer, 7 years later, she still have all of her hair.
Yeah.
Yes, all of her hair. So thank God, because I'm just the messenger for Christ. He hired me as an employee to work. God wanted me to work for him. I work for him. And then he gave me Deserve. So we're going to keep this train moving, but we love you guys, and salute to everyone that's fighting the fight.